Now that's the most interesting question. In today's world, which is talking a lot about data science, data scientists, it's very easy to be completely digressed from your path of understanding what data science is not. So I would answer this question in a few steps to understand. First of all, we have to agree that data science is no magic. It is on the face of it, you put in the data, it'll start to give you the results. It doesn't work out that way. We have to have the objectivity and the subjectivity running in parallel alongside. So we must on one hand understand that the business problems are no like a tablespoon full of specific kind of a food that you can put it in your mouth and get the taste that you want. It's a taste that you have to develop according to the business requirements. For a lot of people who are in either of the two domains of IT or people who are coming with the statistical or the mathematical background, they find data science to be very easy. Now, in my understanding, it is no way easy because every single day, newer and sophisticated algorithms to solve the age-old business problems are being employed. They're getting developed by both sides of the world who claims to be the experts in the data science area. So a great amount of investment in learning the newer algorithms, in understanding of the existing algorithms and modifying them according to the business requirements, I believe it doesn't make it sound easy at all. Third, is data science a kind of a unicorn? We must understand it doesn't come with just one thorn which requires just the IT skills or just the mathematical or statistical skills. Skills is one part. So that's the science part of data science that I call it. Then comes the most important art form of data science, which is to understand how to select variables, how to select the right kind of algorithms, how to process and infer what is coming out of the results of those algorithms. So understanding the one dimension will never fulfill and solve any business problem. And finally, for me, data science is no way sexy as claimed by Thomas Davenport back in 2011, because it's very time consuming. You got to dig into the data for hours and hours, back and forth. You have to nurture your own skill sets every day in and out to develop and understand algorithms that exist. So in my understanding, it is intriguing, it is fascinating, it is exciting, it is challenging, but no way sexy. Thank you.